October 5th, 2021 is a day etched in the memories of the Christian communities in Bakin Kogin Gora, Bayaro and Magankon. The villages suffered a brutal attack by Fulani terrorists, resulting in the loss of dozens of lives, mostly women and children. The aftermath saw the destruction of homes and churches, forcing the survivors to flee. The community currently observes its Sunday service and weekly fellowship under a tree.
Ina so abinda za mu yarda da shi ne duka ko? Za mu zo nan za mu sujada ranar Juma'a da yamma karfe 4. Ranar Lahadi na gaya ma shi Yunana ya gaya musu wata. Ikkilisiyan Bakin Kogi an fara gina ta. So in Allah ya yarda za mu sujadan Ista ranar Lahadi a nan ba za mu je zankuwa ba. A kawo mana ganganmu daga can. A kawo mana ganganmu daga can. Wannan gurin ya fara numfashi kenan, garin nan zai yi numfashi.
In a remarkable display of resilience, the Christian villagers have begun rebuilding their lives and homes. Despite these challenges, they are prioritizing the construction of a worship place, showcasing their unwavering commitment to their faith. The community is in dire need of building materials, including cement, roofing sheets, nails, and welfare support, especially for the women and children. As Manasseh Adamu reports for Maski Media and TV, the villagers hope that Christian and humanitarian organizations will come to their aid in this time of need.